Hello guys, Flash here from Review. Today we're going to talk about BigStorm Finance. Hopping onto their website at bigstorm.finance, Earthstorm bringing everybody to the moon. So BigStorm is a IDO platform, provide communication solution, bring your project to the community. The pre-sale will start in 3 days and 17 hours. You can check the countdown on their website. I'll leave the link in the description. So about BigStorm, it is reliable and it is secure, it's riskless and transparent. Also the contributor payouts perfectly simple and easy. Let's take a look at the economics. So the total supply is 1 billion, private sale is 100 million, public sale 400 million, total amount to burn is 450 million. Hopping onto their roadmap, so in April 2021 create team and create the project. Between the 1st of May and 15th of May, starting the project, applying for the audit, approve core developments, airdrop starting, launch aggressive marketing campaign, promotion, TikTok, YouTubers, news. Between the 15th and the 31st of May, private and public sale, partnership and promotion campaign, CoinGecko and CoinMarketCap listing, apply complete first IDO, launch IDO platform, launch lucky box mystery boxes with a guaranteed value. From the 1st of June till the 15th, launching the tools buy limit, sell limit, sniper and token charts. And from the 15th of June till the 30th of June 2021, new partnerships, exchange listing and more. So here the most comprehensive tools, they will be available in 20 days and the mystery boxes will be available in 21 days. You can check all of this through the link in the description. I highly suggest you guys going and joining the Telegram group and also giving them a follow on Twitter. That being said, for today's video guys, don't forget to check the links in the description and join the waitlist for when this token launches. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, subscribe, and I'll catch you guys into the next one. Flash out.